Imagine walking through a storm while everyone else is panicking, screaming, and running in circles, and feeling completely calm. Not numb, not indifferent, just fully in control, grounded and untouchable. That's the power most people will never know, because they confuse chaos with life. Now picture yourself holding that calm, the kind that makes others wonder how you're not losing your mind when everything around you is falling apart. The kind that feels like a secret weapon, silent, steady, unshakable. In a world addicted to noise, drama, and instant reactions, real strength is restraint. True power comes from choosing not to react when your nervous system begs you to. It's pausing, observing, and moving with intention while everyone else chases the next hit of validation or distraction. The calm ones aren't immune to stress. They've just trained themselves to meet it with discipline. Every time they hold back from reacting, they're building a fortress of composure. Every time they let tension pass without giving it energy, they're strengthening their presence. This is the muscle most people never develop. We've been conditioned to respond, to scroll, to react, to seek approval constantly. But each reaction is a withdrawal from our energy. Every time we pause, breathe, and choose our response, we deposit strength instead. Think of it like this. Every tense moment you survive without giving in is a brick in your fortress. Every challenge you face calmly compounds into a quiet authority that doesn't need to prove itself. It's magnetic. People notice it before you even speak. Your presence becomes proof that you're not ruled by fear or drama. You've chosen control. And yes, it's uncomfortable. You'll feel restless. You'll want to lash out, to react, to fix everything around you. That's the training. That's the growth. Each pause, each breath, each refusal to feed the chaos is another step toward mastery. Eventually, you reach a point where chaos no longer dictates your state. Arguments, criticism, sudden crises, they roll off you. You're not frozen. You're not detached. You're fully present, fully alive, fully commanding your own emotional ecosystem. People sense it, they feel it, and it makes them uncomfortable because they know they don't have it. This is the art of being unshakable, the discipline of being calm when the world expects panic, the strength of knowing your energy is too valuable to spend on noise. Start small. Next time tension rises, pause. Don't reply immediately. Don't feed the fire. Take a breath, observe, reclaim control. Each time you do, you're building composure that will carry you further than reaction ever could. Every difficult message you resist responding to, every minor provocation you ignore, every tense situation you survive calmly is a brick in your fortress. Every time you choose silence over chaos, patience over drama, you are training yourself to be untouchable. Calm is not passive, it's active, it's alive, it's powerful, it's your most silent weapon, the kind of presence that makes people wonder what's different about you before you even speak. It's the difference between someone who just survives life and someone who owns every moment of it. And yes, it's uncomfortable. Some days staying calm feels like swallowing glass. Some days silence feels like failure. But that discomfort is the signal that you're building the real skill, one that no one else has, one that is rare, valuable, and transformative. Imagine a friend in chaos, screaming over a petty argument. You just sit there, calm, observing. They can't understand it. They feel exposed. You feel powerful. That's the difference. That's the energy of someone who has trained themselves to be unshakable. This is mastery. This is presence. This is power disguised as silence. The calm you build is a skill. It grows with every deliberate pause, every intentional breath, every refusal to give energy to nonsense. The world will keep screaming, but your inner state becomes untouchable. And the best part? People notice. They feel it before they see it. They sense your strength, your focus, your discipline. Your calm becomes magnetic. You don't need to prove anything because your presence proves everything. Start today. Begin with one pause, one breath, one refusal to react. Build it brick by brick. Strengthen it moment by moment. And soon you will be the person who others look at and say, I don't know what they have, but I want it. Your calm, your composure, your power, they are earned, one uncomfortable choice at a time. one deliberate pause at a time. You are training yourself to move through the world unshakable, confident, and fully alive. If you want to keep mastering this unshakable presence and level up your life, subscribe now and turn on notifications. Your calm, your power, and your focus start with the next conscious choice you make.